give the impression that hold on. Respect the purpose of this interview.
The Nigeria police have no integrity.
We are done.
Next thing we try and bring the press, to create the impression that I'm doing fine. Are you getting my point? There is no basis for my arrest in the first place. There's no basis for my attack in the first place. There's no basis for any citizen in Nigeria to be arrested by the IG because the IG feels threatened by the legality of the position. This shows to you that Nigeria is headed by headless people.
Okay, hold on.
So,
hold on,
I just want you to know that all this is unnecessary. From detention, apologize to me and ensure that I can go for proper treatment. But they want to hide it. Since
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
They broke my hand. They have not been able to bring a doctor. They went and brought a nurse. Instead of them bringing a doctor, they went and brought the media now. This is all part of the nonsense.
Hold on, please. You know, just based on the request, from Yele's friends, based on
nobody requested for media. They are the ones who brought you, and I was expecting it, and I've been expecting it.
Hold on,
this
please.
Is the height of foolishness.
We have it on record,
the IGP,
based on my
president of